Okay, friends, this video will assist you to import a database schema into your MySQL Community Server 5.6 by using Workbench. Along with homework 2, I have provided a SQL database schema file, which has the complete database schema dump in the file. So the file. Let me show you the particular file. It's located along with your homework. I have provided you the database schema.sql file. I downloaded this file in this particular location. You can also do the same and store the file at the particular location. The file name is homework2-database db schema.sql. Once you have downloaded that file, then you can start your MySQL Workbench, log in into your database. Okay, let me just close all the other open windows. Don't save. Once you open your MySQL Workbench, check the status of your server, whether it has started. So we are going to first start our server. Okay, if you're not started your server, make sure you start your server, right? The database server instance has to be running. If you're not started, just click the start server button and it will start your server and make sure it is running. Once you've done that, uh, in server menu, you can see here there are various menu options. Select server and there is an option called data import. We are going to use MySQL or MySQL data import utility in order to import the entire database schema from the file into our database server, right? So once you open this data import utility, there are various import options. Select import from self-contained file, this particular option, and once you're ready, just select the location where your file resides. Okay, so I'm going to just open my I'm going to select my file where it is located, and let me just open it. Okay, it's .fu. Okay, my file is ready and I'm going to select my homework2-db schema.sql file. This is the file which I have provided along with your homework 2 assignment. And I believe all of you have already downloaded this file from Blackboard. So just select that file from your location, and once you've selected, right, thereafter there are other options here. It says default schema to be imported to. Friends, I have already, when I had exported the data from my database into this file, I had included the schema name also. So this option is not applicable to us. Default schema to be imported to, this option is not applicable to us. So you do not have to make any selection here. As you can read here, it clearly says the default schema to import the dump file into, right? That the new schema is already inside this .sql file. So you don't have to provide a new schema, right? It will automatically create the schema for you, import all the tables into the schema along with the data, right? So the last option, if you can see here, it says you want to import the entire database structure along with the data, or only the data, or the structure only. We are going to pick the first option. It says import the entire database structure and the data. Once you have selected this, it's very simple. Click upon the start import option and it will show you successfully that import one of one has been completed, and the color is green here on the progress bar. It means it is successfully completed, and you can check for the comment here that your homework2-db schema.sql has finished completely importing all the database objects. After this import is complete, in the navigator panel here on the left hand side, you can refresh it. Click this refresh button and you'll see your schema is imported now. Homework 2, you can expand it, and you can expand the tables tab and you can see all the tables are imported. Let's see the members table, and we want to retrieve its data. So I'm going to click upon this third button here, joining to the members table, and it will show you, yes, all the records in my table. So these are the tables which you are going to use to complete your assignment 2 or homework 2, right? All the data which has been provided in these tables is imaginary. Uh, it's not real data, it's just imaginary. Thank you. So you can use this now to complete your assignment or homework 2. If you still have any queries, you can always post your questions on the course blog and we will revert back to you. Thank you.